Welcome to 10 of. Today, we're uncovering 10 mysterious things about the birth of the Earth. From cosmic collisions to the origins of our water and atmosphere, Earth's formation is filled with intriguing puzzles. Stick around as we dive into the incredible mysteries that shaped our planet. Plate tectonics, the movement of Earth's large surface plates, is responsible for earthquakes, volcanoes, and the formation of mountains. However, scientists are still unsure about when and how this process began. Some suggest that Earth's crust was initially static, and only later fractured into plates as the planet cooled. Others believe that plate tectonics may have started much earlier, shortly after Earth's formation. Understanding the origins of plate tectonics could provide key insights into how Earth evolved into the dynamic planet we know today. Earth's axial tilt, currently about 23.5 degrees, gives us our seasons by affecting how sunlight hits the planet's surface throughout the year. But what caused this tilt in the first place? One theory suggests that the moon's formation, resulting from a massive impact, may have also set Earth's tilt. However, it's still unclear why Earth's tilt has remained relatively stable over time. This stability has been crucial for maintaining consistent seasonal cycles and a stable climate, which are important for life. Without this tilt, Earth might not have been as hospitable to the development of life. Volcanoes played a crucial role in Earth's early development by releasing gases that helped form the atmosphere and oceans. Some scientists even believe that underwater volcanic vents, known as hydrothermal vents, could have been the birthplace of life on Earth. But the exact relationship between volcanic activity and the emergence of life remains uncertain. Did early volcanic activity provide the right conditions for life to form? And what role did volcanic eruptions play in regulating Earth's climate and shaping its habitability over billions of years? Earth's early atmosphere was vastly different from what we breathe today. It was likely dominated by hydrogen and helium, which were later replaced by volcanic gases like carbon dioxide, sulfur, and water vapor. But how did Earth develop its oxygen-rich atmosphere, which is crucial for life as we know it? The role of cyanobacteria blue-green algae in producing oxygen is understood. But when and how this great oxygenation event occurred, and why it led to such a drastic shift in atmospheric composition, remains a subject of much scientific debate. One of the most intriguing mysteries of Earth's early history is how its continents formed. Initially, Earth was likely a molten, rocky mass, but over millions of years, lighter materials rose to the surface to form solid landmasses. However, the exact process that led to the formation of stable continents known as continental crust remains unclear. Additionally, the movement of tectonic plates, which drives the reshaping of continents over time, also began mysteriously in Earth's past. What triggered this process, and why is Earth the only planet in the solar system with active plate tectonics? Earth's magnetic field, generated by the movement of molten iron in its outer core, plays a critical role in protecting the planet from harmful solar radiation. However, the exact process of how this magnetic field formed during Earth's early history is still a mystery. Why did Earth develop such a strong, protective field, while other planets, like Mars, lost theirs? Understanding the origins and longevity of Earth's magnetic field could also help explain why our planet has remained habitable for billions of years. Around 4 billion years ago, Earth and the other inner planets of the solar system were bombarded by an unusually high number of asteroids and comets. This period, known as the Late Heavy Bombardment, dramatically altered Earth's surface and could have played a role in shaping conditions for life. But what caused this bombardment? Was it the result of shifting planetary orbits? Or perhaps a more distant cosmic event? The reasons behind this barrage of impacts remain one of the great puzzles in planetary science. Water is essential for life, but how did Earth get its vast oceans? There are two competing theories. Some scientists believe that water was present from the very beginning, locked inside the materials that formed Earth. Others suggest that it arrived later, brought to Earth by icy comets or asteroids that bombarded the planet during its early years. The mystery deepens when you consider that Earth has far more water than most other rocky planets in our solar system. Why does Earth have so much water? And how did it survive the planet's fiery formation? The leading theory on how Earth's moon formed involves a colossal impact between early Earth and a Mars-sized object, often called Theia. This collision is thought to have ejected material into space, which eventually coalesced to form the moon. But the exact details of this impact remain unclear. Why is the moon's composition so similar to Earth's crust, yet different in key ways? Did this giant impact contribute to Earth's habitability by stabilizing its tilt, which in turn stabilized the planet's climate? These questions continue to intrigue scientists. The most widely accepted theory about Earth's origin is the Nebula Hypothesis, which suggests that our planet formed from the remnants of a massive cloud of gas and dust, a solar nebula left over from the birth of the Sun. But how did this cloud collapse, and why did it form planets? Rather than just dissipating, the exact mechanics of how particles clumped together, forming increasingly larger bodies until Earth emerged, is still debated. What triggered the collapse of the nebula is also a mystery, with theories ranging from nearby supernova explosions to unknown gravitational forces. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about these fascinating mysteries of Earth's birth, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more mind-blowing top 10 videos. Let us know in the comments which mystery surprised you the most. See you in the next video.